If you've ever tried to change your Telegram profile picture and found your photo looking odd, cut off, or just not quite right in the profile circle, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you through the easiest way to crop and resize your Telegram profile picture so your face or logo looks crisp, centered, and professional, no matter what device you're using. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a perfect square profile image that fits Telegram's requirements and stands out beautifully. Let's dive in and get started right away. The first thing you need to do is choose the right tool for the job. If you're in a hurry and just want a quick fix without fussing over details, I'd suggest using an online tool like Postiz's Telegram Photo Resizer. It's essentially a one-click solution. You upload your photo, and it automatically resizes and formats it to fit Telegram's standards. Super efficient for those who just want something that works without tinkering. On the other hand, if you want a bit more control, maybe you want to fine-tune your framing, add a touch of style, or ensure your face is perfectly centered, then using a platform like Canva or Adobe Express is the way to go. Both are free to use and really user-friendly. Start by opening a new design and selecting a square or 1:1 ratio template. This is important because Telegram displays your profile picture in a circle, but it expects a square image. So always start with a square. Think of it as your digital canvas. Next, upload your chosen photo into your editing tool. Whether it's a selfie, a brand logo, or any picture you like, simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. Take a second here to check the photo's quality. If it's blurry now, it'll look even worse after cropping and resizing. If you have a few options, pick the clearest one. Now it's time to crop your image to a perfect square. In Canva and Adobe Express, use the crop or resize tool and set both the width and height to the same value. 512 by 512 pixels is ideal for Telegram. This gives you that balance between quality and file size so your image looks sharp but uploads smoothly. If your picture isn't already square, you'll need to decide what parts to keep. Center your face, logo, or whatever the main focus is right in the middle of the square. Remember, Telegram will display this as a circle, so make sure nothing important is too close to the edges might get cut off. I like to imagine a donut or inner tube and try to keep the important stuff right in the hole, not near the sides. Take a moment to adjust the framing, zoom in or out, drag the image around until it looks just right and well balanced. Don't worry if this takes a couple tries. Sometimes you have to tweak things a bit to get the perfect crop. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and download your cropped image. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or camera roll. There's nothing more frustrating than losing track of your finished photo. Finally, open up Telegram, head to your settings, and tap your current profile picture. If you don't have one yet, look for the Add Photo button. Select the new image you just made, and there you have it. Your profile should now look tidy, focused, and professional. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always repeat the cropping and uploading steps. It's all about a little trial and error until you're satisfied, and that's all it takes to crop and resize your Telegram profile picture perfectly. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like. Leave a comment if you have any questions or tips for others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.